our channel, The Sisters Secrets. I'm Inara.
I'm Alisha, and today we bring to you one of our most well-guarded secrets. In my age and my mother's age, we face a lot of challenges with blemishes and scars, not so much with acne though.
And people who are going or leaving the puberty process like me
Or are in puberty.
exactly, we face a lot of acne and big pores and unwanted blackheads. I don't know why. We have done everything, and somehow with due course of time I've just figured out that it's just a phase, and if you take the right care of it, it's going to go.
Yeah, that's very important. We should know what to do and what not to do.
Exactly.
So today we bring to you the rice water thing.
Rice water is one of those amazing, easily accessible economic products in our kitchen, which gives us everything that our skin needs to stay young and beautiful and glowing all the time. One of the easiest and simplest ways to use rice water is soaked rice water. For this, we need rice and water. Add 3 teaspoons of rice in a separate bowl. Add water to the brim. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes till the water becomes completely white. This enables the water to absorb all the amazing nutrients that rice has to offer. It is ready for application on a clean and makeup free skin any time of the day. The second method is cooked rice water. This is also a very simple process. Here we follow the same method that we use to cook rice. We need rice, we need water. Here we've added 3 extra glasses of water so we can strain it at the end for our skin usage. Some people add salt to their rice, which is also completely fine. Once you've soaked it for around 15 to 20 minutes, then put it on the stove for cooking. Make sure you keep a track of how the rice is getting cooked. Once it's cooked properly, you can stir it and check it. Then it's time to drain the water from the rice. Now obviously the water is hot, so after draining it, it needs to be refrigerated for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can be applied on the skin. Also note that because of the amount of water generated, it can be used over the week as well by refrigerating it. The rice is also ready for consumption, making sure there's no wastage of any resources.
So we've already got the one here, which is only soaked rice water, which Inara will be using today, and mine is the big one for more of blemishes and scars and anti-aging. So you see, this has become a little lumpy. So let's start with Inara first. She's going to apply the soaked one, and I'm going to apply the cooked rice miraculous one.
Okay, so I have washed my face clean with my face wash. I have no makeup on my face and no moisturizer as well. Make sure when you use this rice water, your face is absolutely makeup free. So I'm going to dip the cotton ball first. So I've applied it completely all over my face. I've made sure I've tried to massage my nose a little for the blackheads to soften a little. So now let it stay for 10 minutes till it dries up a little.
First, just look at the water which is just soaked in water which Inara used, and then try to cook that and then use it. So you'll know the difference of its application on your skin and body. So just take a cotton ball, dip it, squeeze it well, and apply. Make sure you do it very lightly with light hand and not put a lot of strain on the skin. It has to be an upward movement on the cheeks.
And do not talk.
Necktie.
So now I can feel my skin a little tightened, and also my skin has absorbed all the rice water. So now it's time to splash some cold water on my face.
So now that we are done washing and drying up, if you touch your skin, you will feel
So
it's
soft. It's so soft.
yeah. And I also feel a little tightness in my skin. So over a period of time, when you use it continuously, you'll feel your skin is actually tightened. So you don't need to go for Botox and other treatments.
Also, you can use this treatment every day. There's no harm in it, and it's really good for your acne. So don't be worried if you have acne or if you can use it or not.
But to be careful, you can just try it on your hands a little bit and see if you are getting any reaction or not. That is if you're very sensitive. Otherwise, it should be fine.
Okay, so if your skin is really dry, really dry, you can use moisturizer as well. But if you have oily skin or normal skin, it's fine to use just a toner because the rice water is already very soft on your skin, so you don't want to grease your skin with extra things on it.
Yeah, and it also makes you feel a little tighter in the skin. So over a period of time with continual usage, you will feel like the skin is glowing, it's softer. You can find the blemishes and the scars go, you can find the pores closer. And this is a natural Botox as well, and anyone can use it anywhere.
Yes.
So we hope you try it out and leave all your feedback and your experience after using it in the comment section below. And don't forget, no secret is well kept
Unless everyone knows it.
So take care, lots of love. Mwah.
Bye guys! Also, you can leave suggestions for our next video. And you need to
Like
subscribe.
and share.
Thank you!